If you're looking for the best performing brake kit on the market, plus, drop the stance on your VW ball joint front end, Dan's Performance Parts offers all these great items, together, in one complete package. This combo kit includes high-performance Wilwood 4-piston calipers that are available in gray, black, or red finishes, with premium Wilwood brake pads. New zero offset, 2.5-inch forged dropped ball joint spindles, with integrated caliper mounting brackets that were specially designed for the Wilwood 4-piston calipers. Cross-drilled rotors with both Porsche and Chevy bolt pattern. Quality hardware kit includes new DOT-approved, braided stainless steel brake hoses, quality SKF wheel bearings, plus new wheel seals and bearing caps, to keep you rolling smoothly down the road for years to come. Please be sure to check out our complete line of brake parts and accessories, as well as our large selection of all parts and accessories tailored to Volkswagen air-cooled enthusiast. Plus, Dan's Performance Parts is a premier supplier of parts and accessories for mag-style fiberglass dune buggies, sand rails, Baja bugs, street performance and vintage VW classic air-cooled vehicles. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, so that you don't miss out on any of our videos or new video releases. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon.